Okay, I'm gonna show you a quick little less than 5-minute DIY how you can replace your gas struts on Expedition, Explorers, things like that. What you want to do is have someone hold the glass up. You got these little clips right here, one there and one there. All you do, take your little flathead screwdriver, pry, put it right here, pop this little metal clip out. Kind of hard to do one-handed, sorry. Pop it out on the bottom. Pop it out right here on the top. If you can't get a screwdriver in, the metal pick will work just as good. Alright, I'm gonna pop this out real fast. Be right back. Alright, once you have those metal clips out, all you do is you just pull and pull, and it'll pop right off. Hopefully you got to see that. Sorry, I'm trying to record and do everything all at once myself. And to replace it, all you do is you take the new one. You don't even take the cap off, the metal clip off. You just leave it on. You pop it in place there at the top. Push up on the window here. Push up on the shock. And you slide it in place. Alright, and it's snapped in. That's all there is to it.